Okay, good morning. Good morning. Okay, Ananya, Finny, good morning. Teacher Deb is here. Okay, good morning. DJ, good morning. Diada, good morning. Okay, everyone, good morning. Rai Karen, Raksan, good morning. Okay, students. Landi, good morning. Si, good morning. Everyone, good morning. Asanai, good morning. You, Tanyanet, good morning. Nitsa, Puimok, good morning. No Prada, good morning. Tiapon, Kraifakon, Alice, good morning everyone. Okay, good morning Radha, Furitnet, Natika, Metaphone, very good morning everyone. Okay, how many students now? There are 19 students. Okay, let's wait for the remaining students just for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, we are going to start our class. Okay, I think we have like 20 students, so we can start our class now. Okay, everyone, good morning. Okay, hello, good morning. Okay, yes, there are 20 students now. So I think the remaining other students can join later. Okay, we can start now. Okay, so everyone, listen carefully. Let's start our class now. We have one more new topic today, and this topic today, this will be the last of our first unit, numbers up to 100. And after our lesson today, Teacher Deb will give you some tests. Okay, I'll give you some tests, but don't worry, you don't have to write, you don't have to do it now. I will give you 7 days. Okay, don't worry, I will explain it later, not now. First, let us have our lesson. After we finish our lesson, I will explain about our test, online test. Okay, students. So, once again, good morning, everyone. Okay. Okay, this is our our last topic of the unit, numbers up to 100. Today we have even numbers and odd numbers. This is our topic today, even numbers and odd numbers. Everyone, let's say together, even numbers and odd numbers. What are even numbers and what are odd numbers? Okay, don't worry. I'll explain it with examples so that you will understand clearly. Okay? But before that, I want to remind you the rules of our online class again, quickly. The rules. Sit properly, number 1. Sit properly, okay? Look at the screen. Always keep your eyes on the screen because we have our online class. Next, listen to the teacher. Always listen to the teacher. And type your answers. When you need to write something, type it in the comment box so that Teacher Deb can see your answers. Okay, very good. After this, let's start now. Our topic today is even numbers and odd numbers. First, let me explain what is an even number. Okay? What is an even number? Okay. Look at the screen. Let's read. It's reading time. Everyone, let us read together. An even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. An even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. What does it mean? Do you understand? No. Maybe you understand, maybe you don't understand. Don't worry, students, I'll explain with examples. An even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. Okay, let's see an example to make you understand. There are 6 apples. We have 6 apples on the screen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. We want to check if 6 is even number or not. We want to see 6 is even number or not. Okay, so we have to make 2 groups. We have to divide these 6 apples into 2 groups with the same number of apples in each group. So we can divide 6 apples into 2 groups of 3 apples each. So the first group is here. We put 3 apples in the first group. The other, very good, okay? If you understand, okay. After this, we can put the remaining 3 apples in the second group. Look at the apples now. 3 apples in the first group, 3 apples in the second group. No apple is left. It means we can divide 6 into 2 groups of 3 and 3. 3, 3. No apples is left. So 6 is an even number because it can be divided into 2 groups of 3 apples each. So we understand now what is an even number. And we know that 6 is even number, not odd number. Okay? Even number. Someone writes odd number. No, it's even number. Okay? And one more very, very important thing about even number. How do we know if a number is even number or not? Let's see. Even numbers end with any even number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any even number, big or small, end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So don't forget these 5 digits. All the even numbers end with these 5 digits. Let's see some examples. The first one, 10. 1, 0, 10. 10 is an even number because 10 ends with 0. So 10 is an even number. Next example, 36. 36 ends with 6. So 36 is an even number Again, the next is 94. 94 ends with 4 and 4 is here. So 94 is even number. One more example. 58. Again, 58 is even number because 8 is in this group. 58 ends with 8. So 58 is even number. Okay, very good students. I think you understand. Okay, we will have more examples later. Before that, I want to give you the explanation of odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Let's read again. Reading time again. Everyone get ready. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. Odd numbers are the numbers which cannot be divided into two groups of equal numbers. Okay, very good. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. Okay, let's see an example. There are 9 frogs. On the screen, we can see 9 frogs. We want to divide these 9 frogs into two groups, like we did in the apples. We want to make two groups with equal number of frogs. Can you make two groups of equal number of frogs? No. But let's try. The first group, I put 5 frogs. In the first group, 5 frogs. Then in the second group, how many frogs? Only 4. Only 4 frogs are left. So we cannot make 5 frogs in one group. So let's take 4 and 4. Okay? First group, 4 frogs. Second group, 4 frogs. Like this. First group, 4 frogs. Second group, 4 frogs. Then 1 frog is left. Like this. 4, 4, 1. The first group has 4 frogs. Okay? The second group has 4 frogs. And there is still 1 more frog. So where will this frog go? In the first group or in the second group? But the thing is, we want to make equal number of frogs in both the groups. In each group, we want to put equal number of frogs. So it's not possible. We put 4 frogs in the first group, 4 frogs in the second group, still 1 more frog is left. It means 9 is an odd number. It means 9 is an odd number because it cannot be divided into two equal groups. So we understand what is an odd number. You cannot make two equal groups for odd numbers. And there is the most important thing for odd numbers. How to identify any number if it is odd number or not. So we have to remember odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Any odd number, big or small, end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Very good. Okay, let's see some examples. 71 is an odd number because 71 ends with 1. 85 is an odd number because it ends with 5. 19 is an odd number because it ends with 9. The last example, 43. 43 is an odd number because it ends with 3. So these are the examples of odd number. Now I think you all understand. Let's remind again. Let's repeat. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Don't forget this. This is very, very important. If you know this, it's very easy to identify if a given number is either even number or odd number. Very, very easy. Okay. Next is, these are the even numbers. All the even numbers from 1 to 100. There are many even numbers between 1 and 100. These are the even numbers from 1 to 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, something like that. Okay, very good. These are the even numbers from 1 to 100. Again, I show you all the odd numbers from 1 to 100. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, like this, up to 99. These are the odd numbers from 1 to 1. Okay, everyone, very good. You understand it now. Now let's do some practice. I'll give you some questions and you write your answers in the comment. Okay, very good, students. Let's start now. Let's practice. Are you ready? Okay, all of you ready? Okay, very good. Now let's see some questions. We are given 5 different numbers: 22, 90, 31, 56, 48. These are the 5 numbers given. Now the question is, which is an odd number? Out of these 5 numbers, there is only one odd number. Find the odd number. Write your answer in the comment. Teacher Deb will read some of the students only, not all your answers, because it will take so long if I read all your names. I will read only those first students with the correct answer. Okay, let me check. The first student is Pui Mong. Yes? Yes, Pui Mong. Very good. Then Tiapon. Okay, very good. Pui Mong, Tiapon. Okay, many other students. Okay. Radha. Then next is Nitsa, Natika. Yes, very good. Okay. Alice, Landi, Diada. Okay, very good. Rosana Pongs. Okay. Next is Bose. Okay, very good. Yes. Out of these 5 given numbers, the odd number is 31. Very good. Okay. Prem Suti. Okay, very good. Okay, there are many more students, but I told you I cannot read all your answers now, but I will check your answers later. So you keep writing. Okay, let's go to the next question. Again, you are given 5 different numbers: 75, 66, 93, 11, 20. These are the 5 numbers. The question is like this: find the even numbers. Find all the even numbers. from these 5 numbers. Write all the even numbers out of these 5 numbers. Start writing now. Teacher Deb is waiting. All the even numbers, Radha, all the even numbers. The first student to give me the correct answer is Methapon. Very good. Number 45. Yes. Okay. Next is Diada. Very good. I said all the even numbers. Rosanna Pongs. Very good. Next is Boss. And next is Natika. Very good. Next is Radha, Alice, Sanya. Very good. Landi. Okay. Arnan. Yes. Aman. Okay. Very good. Next is Puimong. Next is Pongsena. Okay, very good. Okay, next is you, Tanya Nut. Very good. Okay. Puri Nut. Okay, very good. Next is Nitsa. Okay. Ananda. Okay. Okay, very good. Some students write only one even number, but the question says find the even numbers, all the even numbers. We have the first even number 66. After 66, there is another even number, that is 20. So you have to write both the numbers. Yes, Thama, very good. Okay, Pinni, you have to write both the even numbers. Okay, so the question says find the even numbers, and we know that there are 2 even numbers, 66 and 20. So you have to write both the numbers. Very good. Okay. After this, let's go to the next question. Okay. This time the question is like this. What is the next odd number after 29? You remember before, after, between. Just try to remember. What is the next odd number after 29? What is the next number? Okay, start writing now. Next odd number after 29 is not 30. Someone writes 30. No, I think. Keep writing. What is the next odd number after 30? Aman, very good. Tiapor, very good. Ananya, very good. Natika, okay, very good. Next is Alice, very good. Sirawit, Rosanna Pongs, very good. Landi, very good. Pongsena, very good. Okay. Puimong, very good. Bose, Kamolak, Diada, Anafat, Pepper, Metaphone, Pinni, Radha, Thama, Kraifakan, Thanawat, R. Okay, very good. All of you are very good. Yes, the next odd number after 29 is 31, not 30. 30 is not odd number. The question says next odd number after 29. So it is 31. Okay? Because the question says odd number, not even number. Okay, very good, Nitsa, Ananda. Okay, everyone, very good. So, let's try again the next question. First, you read the question carefully. Try to understand what is the question. What is the next even number after 88? What is the next even number after 88? This time you have to write the even number after 88. The first student boss. Very good. Next is Rosana Pongs. Rosana Pongs. Very good. Anapat. Very good. Aman. Very good. Krai Karun. Check your answer. Pong Sena. Very good. Nitsa. Natika. Kamulok. Pinni. Yes, very good. Asanai. Okay. Kraipakon. Yes, Radha. Tiapon. Landi. Okay, very good. So, the next even number after 88 is 90, not 89. Okay, all those students who write 90, very, very good. Okay, yes. The next even number after 88 is 90. The question says even number, not odd number. The next number after 88 is 89. But 89 is odd number. That is why I told you to read the question carefully. Okay, try to understand the question. Okay, very good everyone. Not 89, it's 90. Okay, we still have some more questions. Okay, 2 more questions. After that, we will talk about the test. Okay, what is the even number before 52? What is the even number before 52? Okay, dear children, start writing now. I will read only some of you, right? It takes time to read all your answers now. So write quickly. Try to be the first one to give me the answer. Yes, the first student is Diada. Very good. After that, Shirawit. Next is Boss. Fong Sena. Tama. Alice. Yu Tanyanat. Pamolok. Aman. Shirawit. Very good. Ananya. Tiapor. Nitsa. Asanai. Asanai. Yes. Sanya. Landi. Nitsa. Natika. Okay, very good. Radha. Kraipakon. Thanawat. Puimok. Okay, very good. The even number before 52. So you have to remember the meaning of before, after, between. Always try to remember the meanings of this word. If you don't, it's very easy. So the even number before 52 is 50. Very good. All of you very good. Okay. There are so many other students writing the correct answer. Shirawit, Taming, Krai Karun. Yes. Metaphone. Okay. Very good. One more question. This is the last question. After this, we will discuss about the test. So students, try the last question. What is the odd number before 100? Read the question carefully. What is the odd number before 100? Write your answers now. What is the odd number before 100? The first student, Tiapon. Very good. Number 19. Next is Boss. Aman. Very good. Yu Tanyanat. Very good. Tama. Very good. Diada. R. Sanya. Ananya. Natika. Radha. Metaphor. Pongsena. Kamalok. Sirawit. Very good. So I think all of you, the students of room 1/3, are very, very good. Yes, all your answers are correct. I'm checking your answers now. TJ, Kraipakon, Pinni, Sirawit, very good. All of you, very good. Yes. The odd number before 100 is 99. Yes, 99 is odd number because it ends with 9. Just remember odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Any number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is odd number. Okay, very good. Landi, Nitsa, Asanai. Okay, very good. All of you, very good. Okay, Klaipakun. Okay, Pinni. Everyone, very good. Nati Samon, very good. Okay. So, that's all for today. So, we learn even number and odd number today. These are the two things we learned today. What are even numbers? What are odd numbers? Okay? After this, I will tell you about the test. Students, now keep your eyes on the screen again and listen carefully to teacher Deb. I'm talking now about the test. You will have some tests. Okay? Okay, everyone? Okay. I will give you three tests. This time we will have three tests. Listening test, reading test, writing test. You will have three different tests. Okay? You will find these three tests in your Google Classroom. You can find these three tests from your Google Classroom. Don't worry, your parents will help you to find the tests. You will see three different tests. You have to finish all these three tests. But don't worry, I will give you 7 days. 7 days. 1 week to submit all these three tests. I think it's enough if you have 7 days. Yes, I will give you 7 days to submit all these three tests. You cannot find it now in the Google Classroom. Teacher Deb will upload it later in the afternoon. Okay? I still don't have time to upload it now. I will upload these three tests in the Google Classroom in the afternoon. After that, you can find all these three tests and you can start. But you have 7 days. Don't worry, you have enough time. Okay, let me explain. The first test, listening test. In your Google Classroom, you will find listening test like this. For the listening test, first of all, write your name. Okay? Write your name. Write your roll number. Roll number is the class number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. That is the roll number. And after that, write your ID number. ID number is the 5-digit number you have. Okay? If you don't write these three things, name, roll number, ID number, you cannot go to the next page. You will not be allowed to go to the next page. So you have to write name, roll number, ID number, and then click next. You will go to the next page like this. You will see this. For this listening test, you will have 15 questions. There are many questions, 15. But don't worry, it's very easy. Click on the link. Click on the blue link. Listen to the audio and choose the correct answer. What you have to do is question number 1. Click the link, the blue link. Click it. Then you will find an audio. Listen very carefully. Okay? Listen very carefully. After that, choose your correct answer out of the given 4 options. Okay? You understand? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 15. All these 15 questions have link. Click the link and listen to the audio. And after you finish everything, click submit. Then finish. Okay? That's for listening test. Next is reading test. For the reading test, again, write your name, roll number, ID number. After that, click next. You will see the questions in the next page. Read the questions carefully and choose the correct answer. For example, number 1. Which of the following numbers is 78? There are 4 options. 87, 78, 77, 88. You have to choose the correct answer and click. There are 10 questions. 10. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10 for the reading test. First, number 1, 2, 3, 4, finish all the 10 questions. After you finish, click next. Okay? And we have one more test. Writing test. In the same way, write your name, roll number, ID number again. And then click next. You will see the questions. Choose the correct answer. Since we have our online test, you don't have to write. You cannot write. So, what you have to do is read the question and find the correct answer. What is the number before 88? Number 1. You click choose and you will see 4 different options. Find the correct answer and click it. There are 10 questions again for the writing test. 10. Finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 and then submit. Before you submit the test, check your answers carefully. Okay, do you understand? Okay. This test will be open for 1 week. 1 week means 7 days. And close on Tuesday, 6 July. It will be closed on Tuesday. So, you have to submit all the tests, all the 3 tests on or before Tuesday, 6 July. You have 7 days from today. I will upload all these tests later in the afternoon. You can see the questions, the tests in the afternoon, not now. You have to submit all the 3 tests, listening, reading, writing, on or before Tuesday, 6 July. You cannot submit, you cannot do the test after Tuesday because it will be closed on Tuesday. Do you understand, my dear students? Do you understand? If you understand, yes, some students write okay. It means you understand. If you understand, yes or no. If you understand, just write yes. You will find the test in the Google Classroom. Don't worry. Your parents will help you. Okay, very good. Yes, Ananya. Okay, very good. So, all of you, do you understand? You can start your test from today afternoon, but not now. Okay, very good. All of you understand, right? Very good. Tiapon, okay. Rosana Pongs, Aman, Diada, Asanai. Okay, very good. Okay, so all of you, very good. You understand what you are going to do. Okay, so all of you do the test very, very carefully. Okay, you will get your points from this test. Okay, so before you submit the test, check your answers carefully. Okay, everyone, for today we don't have time, so we will stop here. Okay, so you may check your Google Classroom in the afternoon today. You will see the test. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye because we don't have time now. Everyone, bye-bye. See you again next time. I wish all of you all the best in my test. Okay, bye-bye. See you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.